Haste Makes Waste. Today we'll explore the proverb Haste Makes Waste. What does it mean? Now let's see what happens to Jason in our story. Me first.
Jason loves to be first. He takes the first cookie. He is the first to bat in the baseball game. He goes on the slide first. He sees a bus coming. He runs to get on the bus first. He does not stop to see where it is going. Now he is on the wrong bus.
Stop first!
Questions. 1. What does Jason take first? Answer. He takes a cookie first. 2. What does Jason do at the playground? Answer. He goes on the slide first. 3. Which of the following objects is not mentioned in the story? A. A cookie. B. A bus. C. A baseball bat. D. A bicycle. Answer. D. A bicycle.
Woohoo!
Here are more questions to think.
1. Have you ever experienced something similar? 2. Is it always good to be the first? Leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Remember, rushing can lead to mistakes. Take your time.
Let me get off first!